Hey YouTube, it's Andrew the Bearded Giant, and I'm going to replace my casters on my welding table. The casters I put on when I built this just aren't holding up. So I picked up some heavier duty casters. I made some plates, got some bolts, still got one more hole to drill. I'm going to cut off the old casters, grind them off, weld on these new plates, attach these new casters with these bolts, and let's do this. Thanks. So as you can see, these didn't hold up and created a flat spot. And so the cart doesn't roll around anymore. It just kind of goes ka-thud, ka-thud, ka-thud. Clean this up and weld the plate on and we'll be good to go. Tack the four corners, take the clamp off, clean it up a little bit, and then run a quick bead. I'm using Miller's 0.035 flux core multi-pass. I like that. It's pretty forgiving for me, the beginner, the hobbyist. So that's what I'm using. Alright, it's not exactly a pretty weld, but I'm pretty pleased with it. I welded over the top of old weld and it seems to be pretty stout. So it's going to work for what I'm doing here with this table. But again, it's not pretty, but it's pretty good for me. And alright, so I got some new casters. The cart rolls well. The welder works great. I'm very happy. Thanks for watching, guys. This was a pretty simple project. I cut some scrap plate steel, drilled some holes, bought some heavier duty casters, welded the plate to the bottom of my welding table where the old casters used to be, used my new Vulcan Max 215 welder. It worked great for me. It's still a much better welder than I am. I am still a novice, but I love the machine so far. It's working great. So please subscribe and follow along my projects. And leave a comment or a question if you'd like. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Take care, guys, and peace out.